A good ND filter is the easiest way to get rid of glare or create motion blur for your content. And I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite filters for the DJI Spark. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here, you've seen the channel before, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of the video. Today, we're going to be talking about the Polar Pro ND filter pack for your DJI Spark. Now, this is a 3-pack of filters. It comes with a FP, which is a fixed polarizer filter, an ND8, and an ND16. Now, these 3 filters are probably going to be the most common filters that you're going to need and or use during filming, especially with the DJI Spark. Now, it comes in a little pack like this, and they're about $49. Now, there are other filters on the market, but I don't think any of them have the same quality as the Polar Pro, nor do they come with a nice little carrying case. Now, the idea behind a polarizing filter is that you're gonna be able to slow down your footage to make it a little bit more cinematic. Now, we're gonna go ahead and open these filters up here. So you can sort of see we have 3 of them in here, and they are really super nice. So let's go ahead and pick one of these up, and let's look at the polarizer filter here. Now, this one's gonna cut down glare, and I know they look sort of cheap, but they're actually not. They're really well done. And you can see there's a little clip on the bottom of here. So at the bottom of the filter, there's these little prongs. This is what's gonna clip into the drone gimbal to hold them on in place. And there's a little clip, a little nub on the front of it that also clips to the front, which will make it a lot easier. Oh, Jesus. So let's go ahead and see how this actually mounts the Spark. So we have the Spark here. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the gimbal down. And you can see as I flip the gimbal down, there are these little vents in here. Now, these vents are where that's gonna clip to. So let's go ahead and pull down focus on this. All right, so I'm just gonna flip this down. And I am going to flip this inside of here. I guess that's how it's going to work. And then just sort of drop it down on the top of this thing. That how it works? Ah, there it is. Okay, cool. So there it is. It's on. There's a little clip at the bottom of the Spark right there. And then it clips to the front, and then you can see it's on. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, let it calibrate the gimbal. And it's flipped up and it's got no problems. Now, with only one color profile on the DJI Spark, I think these filter profiles are going to be a huge win. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some comparisons and some content up here on the screen so you can take a look at the footage with the filter and then without the filter, and then you can decide whether or not a ND filter is right for your DJI Spark. And I'm gonna go through all the filters so you can see the difference. This is the polarizer filter. You have an ND8 and an ND16, so each filter is gonna serve its own purpose depending on the sunlight and your weather conditions. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy these comparison shots that we took, and I will see you in the next one.